Still where we start with 1 hour chart. I want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, based on 1 hour chart right now, I'm looking at this. I want to see whether we can look for trade or not. If we put this loan relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. Okay. By the way, we start with higher time frame. We want to see how we can look at the chart. First things, as we can see, even if we refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned if he wants to look for buy, we need to be quite careful because the price at the top. Okay. And this is what we get. Now, the thing is whether we can get the deeper correction similar to what we get here for continuation, or we can look for the reversal. For me, if I get any reversal, any trade setup for buy, this is what I'm looking for. Unless we see the really deep correction based on forward or daily chart. Okay. Anyway, if we move to forward chart, and still we can expect this one turn to a flat for continuation. All right, but right now from here we cannot get really good sales trade setup for sell. That's why I mentioned based on 1 hour chart. If I get any trade setup for buy, this is what I'm looking for. And right now, first things, if we get any trade setup for buy in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a really good trade. And the only thing is, the only way to look for the trade to put our entry above the top. And what we want the price sharply continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we take out the trade, and our stop loss should be somewhere below this. And after the price, if we get a continuation after the price tag this top, if the we should start to manage. What we need to see the continuation as a sharp move if we get the trade. If it turns to a corrective move, we should know that we can expect the flag, this one turn to a flat for price to drop before we get the reversal. Okay, but right now if I get any trade setup for buy from here, I will take it. If the prices start to drop, we just let it go. Okay, in this case we just follow the chart, and as I mentioned, the only way is to put our entry above the top, somewhere around 26.1. And what we want, we are more interested to look for buy. And if the price tag which is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we take out the trade, and our stop loss should be somewhere below this. Okay, somewhere around 25.5. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank